Okay, so if you're struggling to show the internal signals for your vector waveform, basically what you do, let me start a new one. So you see, save changes now, right? So new, then you select the vector waveform, and when you go to double click the empty folder, for the node finder, is slightly different. You notice that if I just select the pins, it will select both just the input and output pins that I've used. So in this particular case, I can add just the switch or the LED. However, if you want to show the internal signals, you just select the design entry. You've got the all names there. So for this particular design entry, we've got all these names. I can select my LED as which is an output, and the combinatorial signals, which is the QA, QB, and my switch input there. Okay, and it shows it for us. So we've got our output and our inputs. I can set this as a clock as well. May not be helpful, but just for quick reference. So just change this quickly and see which one is. Let's notice my reset. So not a good idea. But well, doesn't matter. Let me set my reset button to completely 0 from there. Right, and alright, simulate.